My name is Emmanuel Haynes. I am the president of QuantumPass, and today I'm introducing something that is fundamentally changing the way the world authenticates. It's called QuantumPass, the first platform that lets you log in, verify, and share access without ever using a password or any identifying information. QuantumPass was built to solve three major global problems. The first being passwords are outdated, insecure, and responsible for most data breaches. Second, the identity system that we use today, even passkeys and SSO, still rely on centralized identifiers that can track users across sites. And third, authentication is fragmented. We use one system for logins, another for payments, and another for CAPTCHA, and another for access control, etc. And none of them speak the same language. Each passkeys are all over the place. You got Google Passkeys, Microsoft Passkeys, etc. And they all require you to sign up and hand over your personal information. QuantumPass eliminates all of this by creating a new kind of trust layer, one that is hardware anchored, biometric, anonymous, and unified across everything you access online and offline. We ask for no identifying information from you at all. Your name, email address, phone number, address, nothing, in order to be able to use our platform. And because of how QuantumPass is designed, we naturally eliminate many of the attack vectors that traditional authentication systems simply can't defend against. There are no passwords to steal, so no phishing, credential snuffing, brute force attacks, and database leaks. They all become irrelevant. There is no global identifier, so users can't be tracked, impersonated, or profiled across websites. Every website receives a different domain-specific hardware ID, which makes cross-site replay attacks impossible. Our sharing system eliminates password sharing risks and gives users full control. They can grant or revoke access instantly. And because QuantumPass doesn't store personal information or credentials, even if our servers were compromised, attackers would gain nothing that they could use. What makes QuantumPass different is that there's not just a login tool, it's a universal authentication ecosystem. It works for websites, desktop apps, payments, routers, Internet of Things devices, licensing, CAPTCHA, and even secure building and enterprise access. Everything is tied to the device and the biometric identity of the actual user without exposing the user's identity to anyone. Today, I'm going to show you a quick demonstration so you can see firsthand how secure and completely anonymous QuantumPass experience is. By the end, you'll understand why we believe QuantumPass represents the future of authentication and why passwords, usernames, and traditional identity systems won't survive the next decade. Now, as you can see on the screen, I have on the left side a fake bank website called Quantum Bank, and on the right side I have the QuantumPass application. So I'm going to walk you through how how the system actually works. So Quantum Bank is already registered with QuantumPass. Every website will be able to get full integration through SDK, APIs, etc., plugins, anything that you need, we have it. So we go to sign in, and first we're going to start off with the traditional sign-in method. So it's just a username and password. So this is if you already have an account with that website. You just go to sign in, and it signs you into your site. And here is just a fake bank website. Now, since this site was already registered with QuantumPass, there's a banner that shows up on a user screen, and it says, enable QuantumPass, transforming your logging experience, cut-edging biometrics, authentication. Eliminates passwords forever and enjoy military-grade security with zero hassle. So you can make the banner say whatever it is that you want it to say. The main point is just getting the user to sign up with QuantumPass. So you click here with Enable QuantumPass. And now we're going to generate the QR code. So it gives you steps saying download the QuantumPass mobile app, open the app and tap account, add account, which you actually don't have to do now. You can just scan the QR code. Complete the biometric setup on your mobile device and your account will be automatically upgraded. So we hit generate QR code. So here is the registration QR code. Now on the right side, we're going to authenticate first into the app, which is always going to be the first step. And now we're going to go to scan QR code. And now we're going to scan it. We're going to verify our identity. And now QuantumPass registration completed. So now you're registered with QuantumPass. So now let's see what happens. We sign out. We go back to sign in. And let's try the traditional method again and see what happens. So now we tried to sign in with the traditional username and password, but it says your account is secured with QuantumPass. Traditional password login is disabled for the security. So it's automatically going to disable your username and password and force you to have to use the QuantumPass method. So you can sign in using the QR code, hit generate QR code, and here you go. Now on the mobile app, you can just go to scan a new QR code, point it at the screen, verify your identity, and now you're logged in. So let's see that again. Sign out, sign in, QR code, generate QR code, scan your code, verify your identity, and you're in. So it's a very simple, straightforward process. So now, in case the user doesn't have a camera, the camera doesn't work, or it's an older phone or something like that, we do have an alternative method, which is the direct code method. What this does is it generates a 6-digit code. And all you would have to do is go back to the home screen and click on enter code, and you would just type in the 6-digit code here. And now you put in your biometrics, and that's it. It logs you in. So as you can see, it didn't require any username. It didn't require any password. Everything is tied to the device itself. So that's it for this video. There will be other videos explaining exactly the other features of QuantumPass, such as backup methods, viewing your sites and services, our browser extension, which makes this process much faster and easier, giving authorized access to other users, which is a very amazing feature. No more sharing passwords and credentials. As long as they have the QuantumPass app, you can share access. So in other videos, you're going to see the other cool features of QuantumPass. Thank you.